Hi, I'm Alan Murray, and welcome to 372 Singletary Lane in Framingham, Massachusetts. If you're looking for a home with comfort, relaxation, and the amenities of a resort, you found the right place. Let's take a look. Thank you for taking the time to tour this property. As you can see, there's many features for you and your family to enjoy. So for more information, contact me at the number below. Give me a call, let's play some pool together.